Stop eating the wrong food before your workout. It's killing your gains. And if you're not refueling properly after, you might as well skip the gym completely. Stick around, because I am going to show you exactly what to eat before and after your workouts to build more muscle, burn fat faster, and finally start seeing real results. Hey, this is Whole Life Health and Fitness. If you're training hard but not getting stronger or leaner, your timing might be off. In this video, I'll break down the best meals and tips for before and after your workouts. Simple, effective, science-backed. Let's get into it. Why pre-workout nutrition matters. Working out without fuel is like driving on empty. You burn out, you feel weak, you don't grow. Pre-workout nutrition gives you energy to train harder, keeps your muscles from breaking down, and helps you recover faster. What should you eat before your workout? You want two things. Number 1, complex carbs. Number 2, lean protein. For example, oats with banana and protein powder, or chicken and sweet potato. Timing tip: eat a full meal 1.5 to 2 hours before training, or a light snack 30 to 60 minutes before. What's your favorite pre-workout meal? Drop in the comments. What not to eat before a workout. Here are 3 things to avoid. Number 1, greasy foods. They slow digestion. Number 2, high sugar snacks. They cause energy crashes. Number 3, high fiber meals. They might send you running to the bathroom. Pro tip: no fuel equals your muscles break down for energy. That means you're losing muscle, not gaining it. Best pre-workout meal ideas. Here are a few simple meal ideas. For early workouts, banana, Greek yogurt, and black coffee. For lunchtime sessions, turkey sandwich on whole wheat. For evening workouts, brown rice, lean ground beef, and broccoli. Why carbs? Because carbs fill your muscles with glycogen. That gives you better pumps, more strength, and longer workouts. If this is helpful, hit the like button. And let me know in the comments if you want a full meal prep guide next. Why post-workout nutrition is essential. You just finished your workout. You're tired. Your muscles are broken down. Now what? This is the most important time to eat. Why? Because your body is ready to absorb nutrients and grow stronger. You need to do 3 things. Refill your energy stores. Stop muscle breakdown. Start recovery. Timing tip: eat within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout. You need 2 things: fast digesting protein and fast digesting carbs. Example: a protein shake and a banana. Or grilled chicken and white rice. Best post-workout meals. Here are a few great post-workout options. Whey protein shake with oats and berries. Grilled salmon with quinoa and green veggies. Eggs with toast and avocado. Or even chocolate milk with a peanut butter sandwich. Yes, chocolate milk works because it has protein, carbs, and helps recovery. Remember, protein repairs muscle. Carbs reload your energy. Together, they help you grow while you rest. Do you need supplements? Supplements are helpful, but they are not a replacement for real food. If your meals are dialed in, you only need a few basics. Number 1, whey protein. Number 2, creatine monohydrate. Number 3, electrolytes for long, sweaty workouts. Take 5 grams of creatine every day, even on rest days. Do you take creatine? Comment yes or no below. If you made it this far, you're serious about your goals. Now it's time to apply what you learned. Fuel your body the right way before and after your workouts, and your results will skyrocket. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up. And subscribe to Whole Life Health and Fitness for weekly tips on building a better body and mind. Final question. What's one meal you always eat after a workout? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your routine. Train hard. Fuel smart. The games will follow.